roadways in Eustis are currently closed due to flooding. Avoid travel in the area.
Flash flood warning for the following county: Lake, Florida. Flash flood emergency for Eustis and Mount Dora. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday for Central Lake County. At 10:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 15 and 18 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding of homes and numerous roadways in the area have been reported. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Stay off the roadways in this area. This is a flash flood emergency for Eustis and Mount Dora. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Eustis, Tavares, Mount Dora, Sorrento, Umatilla, Lake Eustis and Lake Dora. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.